Most plumbers are making the same mistake when choosing software, and it is costing them thousands every year. They either pick something too basic and outgrow it fast, or they jump into an expensive system without knowing what they are actually paying for. So the big question is simple. Is ServiceTitan really worth it for plumbers in 2026, or is it just overpriced hype? In the next few minutes, you will get a clear, honest breakdown of ServiceTitan specifically for plumbing businesses. You will see what it does well, where it struggles, and whether it actually helps you make more money or just adds more complexity to your day. Let's start with the core idea. ServiceTitan is built as an all-in-one field service management platform. For plumbers, that means scheduling jobs, dispatching techs, managing customers, sending estimates, collecting payments, and tracking performance all in one system. On paper, it sounds perfect, but here's where it gets interesting. For a plumber like Mike, who runs a small 2-truck operation, the biggest benefit is organization. Instead of juggling paper invoices, text, and spreadsheets, everything is centralized. Jobs get scheduled visually, techs get updates in real time, and customers receive automated confirmations. That alone can reduce missed appointments and confusion. But here's the problem. ServiceTitan is not built for beginners or small budgets. It is a premium system, and the price reflects that. Most plumbing business owners don't see the full cost upfront because pricing is custom. You usually pay a high monthly base fee plus per user costs and optional add-ons. And those add-ons can add up fast, especially if you want advanced reporting, marketing tools, or payment features. Now here's where things get more interesting. The real power of ServiceTitan is not just scheduling. It is the analytics. You can track technician performance, average ticket size, conversion rates on estimates, and even identify which services are most profitable. For a growing plumbing company, this data can directly increase revenue. For example, a business owner like Jake might realize his team is underpricing water heater installs, and that one insight alone can add thousands in monthly profit. But there is a trade-off. ServiceTitan takes time to learn. New users often feel overwhelmed in the first few weeks. The system is powerful, but it is not simple. You will likely need onboarding sessions, training, and some trial and error before your team becomes comfortable. This is where many plumbers get frustrated and start questioning if it was worth it. Another key point is mobility. The mobile app for technicians is strong, but not perfect. It allows job updates, invoicing, and customer communication on site. However, some users report occasional lag or complexity when switching between features in the field. For fast-paced emergency plumbing jobs, that can slow things down slightly. Now let's talk value. If you are a solo plumber or running under 5 employees, ServiceTitan is often overkill. You will pay for power you are not fully using. But if you are scaling beyond that, especially with multiple trucks and office staff, the system starts to make more sense. That is where automation and data tracking begin to pay for themselves. So is ServiceTitan worth it for plumbers in 2026? The honest answer is yes, but only for the right size business. If you are small and price sensitive, it will feel expensive and complex. If you are growing and want full control over operations, revenue tracking, and team performance, it can become a serious advantage. Here is the key takeaway. ServiceTitan is not just software. It is an operational system. And like any system, it only pays off when your business is big enough to use it properly. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, leave a comment with your business size, and subscribe for more honest software reviews that actually help you choose the right tools.